Hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Code. Today, we will connect our Fiverr account to the Payoneer method. Let's get started. First, we will go to our Fiverr account. We'll go to a business and then click on earnings. After clicking on earnings, we'll scroll down and see a black colored button that says Add Payout Method. Click on that, and then we'll select the Payoneer method that we want to use. Next, we will receive a verification code in our Gmail and enter it here. Select it and click on Continue. I've received the Gmail code. And now I'm entering it here and clicking Submit. And successfully, your verification is complete. Now click on Continue to Payoneer account. If you already have a Payoneer account, then click here. If not, you will need to sign up first. Click Payoneer account. After that, sign in using your email or username. Now we've created our password. And make sure to save it properly, so that the next time you sign in, this way you won't forget your password next time. You can retrieve it from your Google settings and log in for verification easily. It also gets auto-filled during future sign-in. Now click on Send SMS and a message will be sent to your registered number. I've received the code and entered it. And now we'll click Submit. And our account has been successfully signed in. So now, as you can see when I click on Withdraw Balance, you can see I can choose my Payoneer account right now. But I don't have any money to withdraw right now, so I cannot use it. But if I did, then I can click on Payoneer account right here. The minimum amount you need to withdraw is at least $10.00, so make sure you have at least $10 to withdraw. So that's how you can add Payoneer account in Fiverr. If this video is helpful for you, please watch, like, comment and subscribe.